Hi lovies, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have this invisible locks using Brazilian wool, and I'm going to take you guys step by step from the beginning to end. As I said in my thumbnail, no crochet. We are not going to crochet this hair. So if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, honey. You always warm my heart for your support. But if you're new in this family, welcome. My name is Glory Mtui. Feel free to hit the subscribe button below and turn on notification bell. Also, don't forget to share with your loved one because sharing is caring. I used 2 packs of Brazilian wool. When you are cutting your wool, don't cut too long because at this point or in this style we are not going to fold the yarn. So just cut short like this one, and then each section I use 6 strands. I stretch one side of this wool just to get a natural look and to make easy to attach on my natural hair and to attach without showing like where it starts and where it ends. Also, you have to make sure you have gel that holds your hair well. And back, this is the section I do off the camera. I try it fast before I start record. So guys, let's start. First, you just make section as you make box braid or twists. If you don't know, I have video on how to part your sections. I'll put the link end of this video. So before you attach the wool on your hair, you have to make sure you apply gel on your hair first, and the second, roll your Brazilian wool so that you can get thin side, and then that thin side attach on your hair. It doesn't matter you are rolling going right or left, the results, they are the same. The most important here is you have to roll your hair from up of your section, and when you are rolling you have to make sure your 2 hands work together. Attach Brazilian wool a little down from the place natural hair starts, and then so one hand roll the hair together with Brazilian wool and another hand is there to hold the section, because once you release the section the hair is going to unravel. So to avoid that, you have to make sure another hand is there to secure the section. After you roll till end, pick another section and then here just do a normal twist or regular twist as you do other twists. When you are twist, just make sure you roll both sides before you twist to get neat and clean twist, and then keep twisting till end of your wool. And after you twist it till end, don't twist it till you finish all the wool. No, you have to keep a little space so that you can get some amount to secure end of the wool, because you don't want to use rubber band. But if you use rubber band, it's also okay. But for me, I keep some space and then I take one piece of this wool, I wrap 2 times and then I secure. You may secure 1 time, 2 times, that is okay. And this is how this section looks like, guys. So again, you have to stretch your Brazilian wool, because if you braid without stretch one side, you'll find it's so hard to hold all 6 strands together. But once you stretch, it's more easy. I zoom this video so that you can see clear like what I'm doing, because sometimes it's a little bit hard to explain what I'm doing, but once you watch you understand more than explanation. So make sure you apply some gel on your hair before rolling to make it easy for you to hold all the hair. You know, natural hair, it's very easy to have flyaways, so to avoid that, just make sure you apply enough gel and then start rolling. Just roll it slowly, not too tight, honey, to cause any tension. And then you have to make sure all these two sections you secure it well, because once you release one side, I'm telling you, the section is going to unravel and work done will be equal to 0. So we're not going to release any section unless we finish make twists. So when I make section, I make sure I make section in between the previous section. That is how I make. So every new section is gonna be middle of the previous sections. It's a little bit hard to explain, but I think if you know how to make one-on-one parts, it's so easy. If you don't know, honey, kindly make sure you watch my previous video on how to part your hair for box braid or twist. Once you know how to part, I'm telling you, you just win the jackpot, because a lot of styles you can do without any problem. So guys, if at first you find this hair it's hard for you to achieve, I'm telling you, even me, it was not easy to achieve this look. Let me give you a little story. At the first, when I saw this hairstyle, I was very impressed, and I tell myself I have to wear this hairstyle, but then I was not ready to crochet this hair, because take down the crocheted hair took me like forever. So I really don't like to crochet small sections. So the first I tried with Mali hair, and then the hair does not come out as well as I want. So then I stopped. I tried the second time using kinky hair, and I'm telling you, I failed, because the result was not good as much as I want. And then today I try again for the third time using Brazilian wool, and at the first, after I braid first 3 sections, I was so happy. Finally I get this look, and the most important is I get this look without crochet, because I saw a lot of people do this hairstyle, but all of them they crochet, and I was not ready to crochet because I know how hard it is to take down the crochet. So guys, giving up, that is not option. So you have to put a little bit effort on this hairstyle so that you can get something good and nice. So I almost done with this look. I'm going to put this side to right side, and then again 6 strands I attach in every section, and then I roll till end of the hair, and then I keep roll. I use my lips to hold the hair to avoid this one section to unravel before I finish roll other side. And then I repeat the same thing to roll till end, and then I start to make twists. When you make twists, if you find out your hair show out, just add a little bit gel on your hair, because sometimes it's a little bit hard to hold all hair, especially if you have a lot of hair and your hair is natural. Honestly, it's a little bit hard. So apply a little bit more gel on end of your hair so that you can hold all hair together, and your style gonna last longer. So guys, here we go. I'm done with braiding and I'm so happy. So here I'm going to trim the end, but I'm not going to trim all. This one section remain, or one strand remain, is the one I use secure this section. So after I finish cut, I start to roll. At this point, you may decide to make any size or any length you want. and then roll slowly because this is twist, so you have to roll slowly so that the yarn can be on place. And after that, I use the remaining wool on this section, then I secure again twice, then I trim off. Just simple and easy like this way, guys. And that's how I repeat the entire head. And let me show you closely like how this twist at the end looks like. Just like this way, guys. And then this is the final results for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Don't leave without subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your loved one you wish they know how to achieve this look. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon on my next video. Bye bye.